Hello everyone. How do you know that nature actually watches you and loves you so much? Look at this. I just lit this diya, and then I said I love you to this tree. This is Bilva Tree. I came to my grandmom's house, and now while I did this, I was actually searching for moon past 2 days, and there you go. That's the crescent there in the sky. I could see that watching me while I do this. This is the love of nature. I love you, moon. You're beautiful. You're so beautiful. I love you. This is for Lord Shiva. Be nice to everyone, be kind, and love nature, and nature will love you back. You can see the nature's love in many beautiful ways. Nature will always be watching you. I love you. Have a great day, everyone. This is Trikala. Enjoy. Take care.